Hello students, in today's class we are going to discuss exercise 1H. Exercise 1H is based on exponent, laws of exponent. So to solve this exercise we need certain formulas, or you can say law of exponent. Number one is a power 0. If any number has power 0, exponent, power and exponent, same thing. If any number have exponent 0, then that value is considered as a 1. Like 5 power 0 equal to 1. 2 power 0, again it will be 1. So any number having 0 power is equal to 1. Next, a minus n is equal to 1 by an. If you have a negative power, any number have negative power, then you can make it positive by reciprocally. Like, if you have 5 minus 2, we can write 1 by 5 square. Then third formula is, if the base are same and it is in the product, power is different, on that time a m plus n. Similarly, if it is in the division form, the base are same, this is called base, this is power. Power is different, then this one will be base and the power will be the difference of the power. Next, am into bn. Here see, the base are different, a and b is different, but power is same. So its formula is a into b and power m. Now let's apply all the 5 formulas in exercise 1H. So let's start with the first question. Simplify the following from 1 to 4. In 1 to 4 we have to simplify the sums. Number 1 is your 3 power 1 by 2 into 3 power 1 by 3. If you see this one, this is exactly same as this. Base is a, here base is 3. Power is m, here 1 by 2. Again base is a, again here 3 and power is your 1 by 3. So what you have to write here? Using which formula? 3. Yes. am into an is equal to a m plus n. Now put the values. 3 1 by 2 into 3 1 by 3 is equal to a 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Solve the powers. Take the LCM of 2 and 3. LCM will be 6 and this is 3 plus 2. So a 5 by 6. A 5 by 6 is the answer. Next, in question number 2, if you see, this one is same as this one. am by an. So which formula you have to use? am minus n. So using am by an is equal to m minus n. Now 8 1 by 2, 8 2 by 3 is equal to a 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3. Now take the LCM in the power. This is 8. Take the LCM. 2 and 3 LCM will be 6. This is comes 3. 2 into 2 will be 4. So this is equal to 8 minus 1 by 6. Because 3 minus 4 is your minus 1. So if you see in the answer box, answer 2 is your 8 minus 1 by 6. Now number 3, 6, 7. It means base is different, but half, power is same. Which formula? Exactly, formula number 5. So formula number 5, using am equal to A into B and this is your M. So 6 1 by 2 into 7 1 by 2 is equal to 6 into 7 and M is what? 1 by 2. So this is 42 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now this question number 1, 3 and see here I have written one note. The question number 3, 1, 2, 3. All the parts are same as question number 1, part 3. So do yourself question number 3 and send me in WhatsApp. Now question number 2. In question number 2, you have to write the prime factorization of 49. And we all know that 49 is the square of 7. So we can write here 7 square 1 by 2. So 7 into 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. So it's come as a 7. Now in this one 32. Do the prime factorization. So I have done here prime factorization. So 2 power 5, 2 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now again 2, 5 into 2 by 5. Cancel it. So 2 square which is equal to 4. So answer will be your 4. Now this one 81 minus 1 by 4. Do the prime factorization. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So minus 1 by 4. So 3, 4 into minus 1 by 4. Cancel the 4. 3 minus 1. Now see 3 minus 1. Formula number 2. Yes, if it has a negative power, then we can write the reciprocal of this. 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the answer. Now question number 4. 16. Do the prime factorization of 16. 16. 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. So 16 we can write as a 2. How many 2's? 4. This is 1 minus 1 by 5 into 5 by 2. Now this 5 get cancelled. So 2, 4 and power will be your minus 1 by 2. Now 2, 4 into minus 1 by 2. Cancel it. 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4. So this is 2. 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2. Now again use 2 minus 2. This formula number 2. So 1 by 2 square which is equal to 1 by 4. So very easy. Just you have to find out which formula you have to use to simplify the question. Now see this one. 0.001. First convert it into fraction. 1, 2, 3. Yes, because the decimal comes after 3 digits. So 1 by 1000, 1 by 3. This one will be 1 by 10,000. We can write as a 10 cube. Now use reverse of this. 1 by this will be negative power. So write down. Here we can write 10 minus 3, 1 by 3. Now solve the power. Minus 3 into 1 by 3. Cancel it. 10 minus 1. Again use the number 2. Minus power. So we can write this one as a 1 by 10 which is equal to 0.1. Now question number 3. In some book this question is given wrongly. So you please correct from here. So this is root 2 by 5 power 8. Root 2 by 5 1 by 3. So here the base is same. So we have to use the formula number 4. So root 2 by 5. 8 minus 1 by 3. So root 2 by 5. This is 3 as a LCM. 24 minus 1. So root 2 by 5. 23 by 3 is the answer. Now last one for part question number 4. 25, 3 by 2. Do the prime factorization of 25 is your 5 square. 5 square into another power is your 3 by 2 into 243. Do the prime factorization. We'll get here 3. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times into the another power which is given in the question 3 by 5. Similarly, solve the denominator. 16, it means 2. How many times? 4 times into the given power is 5 by 4 into 2 cube into 4 by 3. Now cancel the common 2, 2, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3. What is left here? 5 cube, 3 cube, 2 power 5 and 2 power 4. Now multiply the 5 3 times. Answer will be 125. Multiply the 3 times. Answer will be 27. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Multiply this one 5 times. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. 4 for the 16. 16 into 2, 32. Into this one, multiply 4 times. It will be 60. Now 125 into 27. It will be 3375. And this is 512. So answer is 3375 by 512. So you take question number 3 as a assignment. Solve in A4 size paper. And rest question, whatever I have solved here, you do neatly in your maths copy. Thank you.